Meaning of FIFA.
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 FIFA. FIFA stands for the International Federation of Association Football, the governing body for football, soccer. Established in 1904, FIFA is responsible for organizing major international tournaments, such as the World Cup. In addition to overseeing the rules and regulations of the sport, FIFA also promotes its development worldwide and works to ensure the integrity of the game. With 211 member associations, FIFA is the largest sports federation in the world. Its mission is to develop football as a tool for social change, education, and health promotion, and to promote football as a unifying force for humanity.